Having looked at watermark, where we have talked of the two different options that we have, which is text watermark and then picture watermark. You can also remove the watermark. If you don't want watermark, you just come to watermark here and you say remove watermark, and then that watermark will be removed away from your work. Then if you come to page color, you can come to page color, choose the arrow pointing down, select any color of your choice here that you think will look good on your page. Let's say I want my page to look like this or like this. I apply to it, and that is how my page color is going to look. There's no rocket science about this. It's just as straightforward as you see it. You just come to page color, choose any color from here, press OK, and then your page, the entire page is going to be looking in that color. And even if you type your work and enter into another page, you're going to find out that sorry, my screen has frozen a little bit. You're going to find out, let's say this text was continuing. You're going to see when I get to the next page, it's going to have the same page color. So that is how page color works. Then we also have another thing here that we need to pay attention to, which is called the page border. When you come to page border, all you need to select from here is box. After selecting box, you come and select the type of border that you want from here. We have box, we have shadow, we have 3D. You can choose any of these and it will work, but let's start with the box. And you look for any line that you wish to use as your page border from here. Let's say for me, I want to use these 3 lines. And then I press OK. And you're going to see the page border is being reflected on my work as you're seeing here. So it is simple. Come to page border, select box, choose any line. Even if you choose this one and say OK, you're going to see it's going to be given to you. Come to box again. You come to shadow, apply it, and you're going to see it's giving you that line with shadow on it. Then you can come to page border still, shadow, 3D, apply it, and it's going to give you that option. But another thing that we need to know about page border is, apart from these 3 options that I've shown you, when you apply page border once without customizing your settings, it's going to apply on all pages. And if you put this in the context of in real world what you do, let's say you've been given an assignment and you've done your cover page, you need a border on it. What you need to know is it's always the first page, your cover page, that has to be with the page border, not the entire document. How do you achieve this? Because if you apply it the way we have applied, even if you had 100 pages, they are all going to come with page border. How do you achieve that, of having the first page without the page border? It is simple. Come to page border. Here, when you're going to choose any page border of your choice, let's say this page border here is the one you've chosen. After choosing that page border and then applying OK, before you apply OK to it, so I need to come to where it's saying whole document, press the arrow pointing down, and I say first page only. I select first page only, then select OK, and you're going to see the page border is now on the first page only. The page border has been applied to the first page only. Another interesting about page border is you can come to page border here, and then you come to art, where they have written art, press the arrow pointing down, There are a lot of artworks here that are page borders that you could actually use. I can choose to use these flowers here. I press OK, and you're going to see my page border is in form of flowers. I can come to page border still, art here, and I choose which one. Let's say I choose this one, and you're going to find my page border is now looking in that. So under art here, there are a lot of artistic page borders that you could use and achieve your end results. But what you need to know is, if you're doing your assignment, you're doing your coursework, you're doing, let's say, your dissertation, you're doing a report, and you need to use page border, it is always applied to the first page only, not the entire document. And how you do it is what I've shown you exactly how to do. You just need to press to come to page to border. Then from there, you come and customize it here. Do you want it the whole document? Do you want it on this section alone? Do you want it on the first page? Do you want it all except the first page? All except the first page means it's going to be on other pages but not the first page. It's the reverse of this option of the first page only. Then you press OK, and then you have your page border running. These are the 3 tools that I needed to share with you for our lecture that we missed during the Media Summit. Otherwise, I wish you all the best in your mid-semester. For any question that you have not understood so far before you do your exams, your mid-semester on Thursday, please, let's engage in the forum for discussions. Ask your questions there and you will be helped. Thank you. God bless you.